Time series databases are highly successful solutions that address very specific use cases. What many users find, however, is that they need to operate multiple types of database technologies to completely satisfy their application's full range of needs. This introduces an excessive amount of moving parts and complicates matters. Fortunately, the FlexVertex Data Multiverse offers all the benefits of time series databases while addressing many of their limitations, which is what this video is all about. Remember that in FlexVertex, no matter how you may visualize your information, all data is stored as objects. And each object is capable of being connected to every other object, assuming you have the authorization to do so. This enables amazing possibilities for traversing your multiverse and represents a vast advancement over traditional time series databases. Here's a quick overview of what we'll be covering in this video. This diagram, taken from a stock market use case, shows a single stock-related object on the left, and a series of bid-ask pairs generated over a period of time on the right. The beauty of the FlexVertex architecture is that you can keep your data in its ideal format yet establish connections wherever relevant. In this example, the stock overview on the left would have a connection with each of the dozens of objects on the right. This saves storage space and processing overhead, yet enables very fast multiverse traversal. Object orientation helps remove the impedance mismatch between your application code and your data storage technology. This example highlights an Internet of Things use case. We've established a base class for all types of sensors with two properties, a device identifier, and a manufacturer name. We want all sensors, regardless of their exact usage, to at least have these data elements. We've further extended the class hierarchy to include derived classes for humidity and fire detection sensors. Mixed schema enforcement means that you can require certain data elements, such as device identifier and manufacturer, and then let the remainder of the data be optional, as is the case with these two sensor readings. This is very useful in time series style applications, where your data may be sparse and vary widely among instances. One of the big drawbacks with time series databases has been somewhat spotty support for transactions. Organizations developing mission-critical applications need the assurance that their data will be safe. In response to these requirements, FlexVertex provides full ACID-compliant transactions. In this example, we're grouping latitude, longitude, and altitude readings for a given flight into 3 time periods. Each of these periods is treated as a transaction, and every data capture within a transaction will either be all committed together, or all rolled back together. FlexVertex provides reliable and affordable distributed processing support, beginning with the Bronze Edition. This means that as soon as an object is updated on one server, it's automatically updated on all other instances in your FlexVertex environment. This lets you confidently distribute your workloads and even dedicate separate servers for decision support and analytics, which use cases made possible by the advancements we're discussing in this video. We described the FlexVertex information hierarchy in a series of videos. For now, it's important to note that, assuming proper authorization, it's easy to construct queries that span domains, nexuses, and schemas. If you're interested in earning your FlexVertex certification, or just want to keep up to date, remember to subscribe to this channel.